Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting your Android TV to a Wi-Fi network. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by hitting the home button on your remote to get to the Android TV home screen. From the home screen, move to the top right and click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down to the Network and Accessories section, and then select Network. On the next screen, select Network Setup, and then choose Easy. Choose Wi-Fi. Next, click Connect by Scan List. Or if you have a WPS button on your modem, you can click that first and then select Connect by WPS button to connect without entering a password. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list. You'll now need to enter the password for the Wi-Fi if you have one. Click the Enter button on the virtual keyboard once you are done. Your TV will now be connected to Wi-Fi, and you will be able to use the full features of your Android TV, such as watch YouTube, Netflix, and download new apps from the Play Store. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android TV tips and tricks.